Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Al-Fahman bin Azizi, and I'm going to present about the building that we choose for this research purpose. So the building that we choose is Pavillion Mont, Kiara, and the developer for this project is Iskandar neighborhood. This project area, the total project area for this project is 3.14 acres, and it is divided into three, which is the first one is the luxury residence that require around 1,001 into 3,175 square feet. The second one is the private villa. Private villa required 4,382 into 5,447 square feet. And the last one is for the penthouse. It require around 2,530 into 6,049 square feet. And for this project, here are the parties that involved, which is the client, the architect, the M&E engineer, main contractor, and the quantity surveyor. So for the building background, here are the location for this project. This project is located at Cangkat Duta Kiara, Mont Kiara, Kuala Lumpur. We have Persekutuan Kuala Lumpur, and here are the plan layout that we retrieved from the Google Map and the Google Earth. So here are the specification and the detail for this project background. So the total contract sum is 350 million ringgit Malaysia, and this construction required 24 months, which is same to 2 years, and the date of commencement started at 5th April 2024. And here are the site plan layout and the 3D model for this project. That's all from me. Thank you.
What is foundation? Foundation is the structural elements that supports a building and transfer its load. In this project, we use a deep foundation, also known as board pile foundation. A board pile foundation is constructed by boring a hole into the ground, and here is the process of the building foundation. First one is site investigation. The process of collecting information, assessment of the data, and reporting potential hazard beneath a site which is unknown. Temporary casing. Temporary guide casing having an internal diameter same as pile diameter shall be installed to the pile center as previously marked on the working platform. The temporary guide casing shall be uniform section throughout the length. Drilling a pile borehole. After the installation of the temporary casing, the borehole will be drilled using appropriate drilling tools. The borehole will be drilled under bentonite slurry support for the borehole stabilization. The drill fluid is prepared in mixer and kept in tanks for storage and hydration purpose. 4. Insert reinforcement cage. After done with inspection, prior to the installation, steel cage will be prefabricated at the off-site as per approved design and drawings. And lastly is concreting. The concrete is delivered to the site by means of truck mixer. The concrete will be checked of the slump and temperature. Cubes will be taken as per specification, connected to the 3 meter pipe by 19 degrees elbow without interruption to prevent hardening of the previously placed patch.
Hi, my name is Nur Shazwani, and I will continue the presentation. So next is construction process of the floor. The first step is surface inspection. Carefully inspect the subfloor to ensure it is at least 1.8 inch thick to prevent bending, grout failure, and tile breakage. The second step is subfloor preparation, manual spreading and compaction, removal of stones and foreign objects, and checking for flatness and smoothness of the surface. The third step is layout planning. Calculate tile quantity, plan layout, and mark tile edge with a pencil using furring strip as guides. The next step is tile installation. Install full-size tiles first, allowing them to dry before adding cut tiles. Spread thin set mortar at a 45-degree angle using a notch trowel. Press tiles into place and spread adhesive evenly. And the last step is grouting. Mix and apply grout between tile joint using a blunt stick. prepare and apply sealant for stability.
Hi, I'm Mushira and I will continue for the next slide, which is construction process of the wall. First, safety measures. Safety net and scaffolding were used to minimize hazards to nearby residents during the construction of the reinforced concrete wall. Next, reinforcement materials. Bar reinforcement types A9 and A6 were utilized, prefabricated off-site and delivered with specified lengths and sizes. Third one is transport and installation. The reinforcement was lifted to higher level using a crane. Bending machine and cutter options were available but rarely used on site. Next, formwork erection. Formwork was set up before pouring concrete, ensuring it could withstand the concrete's weight, and a pipe was used for pouring. Next, quality control. After concrete hardened, a safety officer checked if the wall met specification. And the last one is approval and progress. Upon approval, formwork was removed to proceed with plastering and finishing work.
Hi, I'm Zahara. Now I'm going to present about construction process of the roof. Firstly, to begin the flat roof construction, placing the formwork or fastwood of the concrete slab in order to shape the concrete. Secondly, lay the reinforcement. It is to strengthen the roof slab. Moreover, after the concrete has been hardened to the required specification, displacement of the formwork should be done. After that, apply the waterproofing layers accordingly to the type of waterproofing to prevent any leakage in the future. Last but not least, apply cement to the upper surface of the slab and creating inclines as needed to ensure the water run off the roof. Okay, that's all from me. Move to the next presenter.
In conclusion, the use of concrete reinforcements is crucial in the construction of high-rise building. Concrete alone may lack the tensile strength needed to withstand the vertical and lateral forces exerted on tall structures. Reinforcement, typically in the form of steel bar or mesh, enhances the structural integrity of concrete, providing the necessary strength to support the building weight and resist external pressure. This combination of materials ensure the durability, stability and safety of high-rise buildings, making them capable of withstanding the challenges posed by height and environmental factors. Thank you.